Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage data optimization with ZoomInfo, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your ZoomInfo account. Navigate to the main dashboard. Click on the Data Optimization tab located on the left sidebar. Familiarize yourself with the overview of data optimization features. Identify the key metrics that are relevant to your business. Begin with the Data Enrichment option to enhance existing contacts. Upload your current contact list if you haven't done so yet. Select the fields that need updating or enriching. Review the suggested data and make any necessary adjustments. Click on the Enrich button to process the updates. Next, head to the Data Quality section. Run a data quality report to identify duplicates and inaccuracies. Review the report results carefully. Merge or delete duplicate entries as recommended. Address any inaccuracies found in the data. Utilize the Data Alerts feature for ongoing monitoring. Set notifications for significant changes in data quality. Explore the Integrations section to connect with your CRM system. Follow the prompts to link your CRM for seamless data flow. Test the integration to ensure data synchronization is functioning. Regularly schedule reviews of your data optimization settings. Implement a monthly or quarterly check-in routine. Encourage team members to update data regularly for best results. Leverage the Insights and Analytics feature for performance tracking. Refine your data optimization strategy based on these insights. Consider additional training or resources for advanced features. Stay informed about updates and new tools provided by ZoomInfo. Utilize customer support if you encounter any challenges. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.